Good morning, everybody. Today we have an exciting language lesson. We are going to learn a new sound, the ch sound. Before we begin looking at the ch sound, let's look at two special letters that make up the ch sound. This is the first letter we are going to look at. Do you know what sound this letter makes? Yes, that's right. This is the k sound. Its name is C. Its sound is k. Let's look at some pictures that begin with the k sound. Cake, carrot, cup, cat, car, cap. Now let's look at another special letter. Do you know what sound this letter makes? Yes, this letter makes the h sound. Its name is H and the sound it makes is h. Let's look at some pictures that begin with the h sound. Hedgehog, hare, house, helicopter, hand, horse, hat. Now that we know more about the k and the h sound, I am going to tell you a little story about how these two letters met each other. One day, the letter was standing in the woods, and the letter k decided that she would like to take a walk. While she was walking along, she suddenly bumped into the letter h and said good morning. Letter h asked if letter k would like to come to his house for a cup of tea. And what do you think that the letter k said? Yes, she would love to go to letter h's house for a cup of tea. And ever since that day, the two letters k and h, C and H, became the best of friends. Everywhere the letter H went, the letter C would follow. And together they made a brand new sound. Do you know what that sound is? Ch. Together they make the ch sound. Let's say it 3 times. Ch, ch, ch. It's almost like a train is chugging along a railway. Ch, ch, ch. Let's look at some new pictures that begin with the ch sound. Chocolate, chair, cheese, chips, chicken. Can you hear the ch sound at the beginning of each of these pictures? Let's now read the words together. Chocolate, chair, cheese, chicken, chips. Well done. Can you see the ch sound at the beginning of the word? Now we are going to play a game. Now I need your help to sort out all these pictures. If they begin with the ch sound, then we will move them into the box. However, if they do not have the ch sound in them or begin with the ch sound, they are not allowed in the box. Let's start with chocolate. Can you hear the ch sound in chocolate? Yes, good job. How about cheese? Can you hear the ch sound in cheese? Good job. Let's try chair. Yes. And church? Yes, church has the ch sound in the beginning and at the end. Church. What about chicken? Yes. Chips? Yes. Octopus. No. A octopus. Umbrella. No. A umbrella. Now you can see all the ch sounds in the box. Chocolate, cheese, church, chair, chicken, chips. Now you are ready to do your worksheet. This is the worksheet for today. You need to look at the words in the word bank on the left. We have chop, which means to cut wood. Chin, underneath your mouth is your chin. Chip and chick. You need to write the correct word under the correct picture. Remember to work neatly and write your letters carefully. Have fun and remember to send a photo of your work to Miss Amy on Class Dojo or email. Goodbye.